Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a C Corp tax return. First, understand that C corporations use Form 1120, the U.S. Corporation Income Tax Return, to report their income, gains, losses, deductions, and credits. You'll also need your financial statements, like the balance sheet and income statement, to accurately complete the form. Knowing the filing deadlines is crucial to avoid penalties, so let's dive into the details. To prepare Form 1120, begin by gathering all your financial records, including income, expenses, and any capital gains or losses. Your balance sheet and income statement are essential for reporting your corporation's financial position. If your corporation received dividends, you'll need to report those on Schedule C of Form 1120. Accurate record-keeping is key to a smooth filing process. Next, calculate your corporation's total taxable income by subtracting allowable deductions from your gross income. C corporations can deduct ordinary and necessary business expenses, such as salaries, employee benefits, and rent. Don't forget to identify any tax credits your corporation qualifies for, as these can directly reduce your tax liability. Maximizing these can significantly impact your final tax bill. Finally, submit your completed Form 1120 by the 15th day of the fourth month following your tax year-end, typically April 15th for calendar year corporations. If you need more time, file Form 7004 for a 6-month extension, but remember to pay any taxes owed by the original deadline to avoid penalties. You can make payments electronically through EFTPS. Also, for a smarter home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.